school. I'm Marie, a medical laboratory technician. The purpose of creating this channel is to educate and enlighten you more about the medical laboratory field, that is, the tests we do in the lab, why the doctor requests that test, and how often you should visit the medical laboratory department. Alongside, I'll be coming your way with some health tips which will go a long way in improving upon your health positively. If you would like the next person to benefit from this channel of mine, kindly like, comment, subscribe and share as we make an impact. Always remember, your health is my concern. Your health is your wealth. Your health is your priority. The best thing you could give your family is a healthy you. Stay connected. See you in my next edition. Bye.